Good morning, everybody, and it is Friday, and I'm at home. I just had my coffee. I got dressed, excuse the hair. I am just at home today, just trying to get caught up on things around here. I feel like I'm sitting in the dark talking to you guys. So, usually I pay one of my bills through a transaction where I just say, yeah, let it run through text. But because around New Year's, my bank detected fraud on my card, which nobody got any money or anything because they stopped it and they texted me and asked me if it was me trying to make the transaction. I, of course, told them no. They froze my card and I had to wait 14 days to get a new one. So the people that I pay this bill to did not have the new card on hand. And you know how annoying these automative services are where you don't talk to a human being. I cannot stand it. I will tell you that if you are a blind person, what do you do? I mean, I'm just saying, yeah, you could set up automatic payment, but if you're like me, what if they are making mistakes and they're just taking money out of your account? That to me scares me to death about automatic payment, setting that up. I do have bills, though. I have two that are set up on that, and it does make life easy, and I'm not worried about them making a mistake because it's the exact same every single month. But, you know, with utilities and stuff, they do make mistakes, and, you know, it's just craziness these days with these digital things is all I'm trying to make the point. So I had coffee this morning, and I am rearing to go. And I got, like I said, I got my bill taken care of, which took me forever because the first time that I ran through the whole cycle of it, it hung up on me. And then I finally got it to work the second go around, so that was good. Today, I am going to make some homemade broccoli cheddar soup. I'm going to get out my big jumbo pot. I'm going to make a ginormous thing of soup so that we can eat on it for a couple of days. It just makes life simpler. I will probably make us a grilled cheese or something like that to go with it. It'll be really good. Or I did buy those rolls, those dinner rolls from Walmart, so I might pop those in. I don't even know. I have my sweatshirt that I don't ever come out of anymore. Just so you know, I have two of these. So I am washing my clothes. Just, you know, I'm a type of person that if I get something and it is super comfortable, I will wear holes in it before I wear anything else in my closet. And that's just the way it is. It is a cold, very gloomy day. My trash can did withstand out by the street the windstorm that occurred last night. However, my back porch is not exactly all in one piece today. It blew furniture clear across. It knocked over rakes and stuff I had out there. It moved a little buggy thing that I had out there. It threw my bucket. I had a bucket sitting out there where, you know, like I'll mop and then I'll throw the water into the yard where we don't walk, obviously, but I throw the water into the yard and then I will place the bucket outside. Usually I bring it in right away, but I forgot, and the wind picked it up and threw it clear across the way. And I don't know if you can hear the owl, but that's actually the, you hear that? That is actually the bird clock that I got Ronnie for Christmas. He looks for those birds because today he said, it didn't work this morning. I said, what do you mean it didn't work this morning? He said, I didn't hear it at 10 o'clock. I said, well, wait till 11 and we will, if maybe it needs a new battery. Well, 11 o'clock, it made the bird sound, so he was happy. 11, it's 12 o'clock noon, and at noon, it's always the owl. The owl hoots on there, and I think it's so cute. Anyhow, you kind of get used to the bird sound, and then you know what time it is, and that's how he affiliates you know, the time here at the house now is, I mean, he can obviously ask the Echo Dot, but he looks to hear the bird. So I did good on that Christmas present. So I took all my vitamins, which, by the way, I think that when I did my Walmart haul, I did not share this. I am taking this now, okay? Somebody told me that if I take that every day, that it will help with my migraine headaches, and I'm up for trying anything because they are so painful and such a humongous pain in the rear. If you are a migraine sufferer, you know what I'm talking about. It is not a fun thing. Ronnie and I decided today that not only am I going to throw him a birthday party on Monday, but I'm going to take him out on Tuesday, which is his actual birthday. Take him out for a day out, and we're going to celebrate his birthday. I mean, it's his birthday, and we're going to do it upright. So I feel like I have a lot to do, and I do. And I don't sure exactly how much I'm going to get done today. I will tell you that I slept till 9 o'clock this morning, and it felt good. And I got up this morning, and I laid in bed with the iPad, and I watched the Witt family. If you guys have never watched the Witt family, I have been watching her for a very, very long time. I love all of her videos except like haul videos that pertain to her kids. I'm not really interested in because I don't have any small children, but I do love her cleaning, her motivation, her exercise, her day in the lives, her vacation vlogs. I enjoy all of that. And I just like to see how other people live and things that they do. And she lives on a farm, so there's a lot of animals. They just got a new puppy. And so if you've never checked out the Witt family, check her out. She has a lot of subscribers, and I really enjoy all of her content. So she doesn't know me or anything, but if you go over there, tell her Heidi's Home Center, because I would love to chat with her sometime. That would be really nice. She is really cool. I think she's a really good mom, and her kids really have seen her kids since they were really small, and it's just it's really something how time goes by, and you know, you watch somebody, you kind of grow with them. And so anyways, I have been watching them a long time. I have mentioned her several times before. Also been watching Jamarelle Stewart. She has a latest video where she takes you through her shopper, I can't even say it, sharp shopper, you know, where she goes to this grocery store called that. It's supposed to be inexpensive. I've not watched the whole thing of it. I want to sit and watch the whole thing. I sent it to my mother because my mother actually travels through the area where Jamarelle lives, and I want to go to that sharp shopper someday and stock up on some things because the prices are fantastic. If you guys know how expensive the groceries are and everything, you'll see, you know, it's like noodles and stuff, 99 cents, cheaper than a Dollar Tree. So you can't really beat that. So anyhow, I'm done rambling, and I'm going to get in the kitchen. I'm going to get my big soup pot out, and I'm going to get some broccoli cheddar soup made. It's been a long time since I've made broccoli cheddar soup, and it just sounds so good. And you know what? It's just cold enough outside that it's going to be really yummy today. So you can get an idea of how big a pot this is. It's ginormous. We ate the dinner rolls that I got for $1 or for 25 cents yesterday, just one pack. They were really good. They browned up really nicely. And that's what I have left. This soup was delicious. And it's cold outside, so this hit the spot. And I made a space for this entire pot in the top of my refrigerator so that tomorrow all I got to do is pull it out and warm it back up. There it is in my fridge. It takes up almost the whole top, but yeah. So now dinner for today, and basically tomorrow is done. Probably tomorrow I might make, you know, some kind of sandwiches or something like that to go with it, but oh, it was so delicious. So I have no idea what I look like right now, but I'm sweating bullets. Just got done putting up the soup, cleaning all the dishes, wiping down the kitchen table, putting away the few groceries that I got at Walmart that I hadn't put up yet. Got all that done. And it is it a 5:45? I think it's 5:45. At 6:30, I'm going to call Ronnie and have him come home. He has a broadcast tonight. He goes live on Facebook at 8 o'clock on Friday nights. And so we need to get his music lined up and get it set up in here, get him dressed up and ready to sing. And then our night will be pretty much done. I got to walk out to the street and pull my trash can back in. I do need to do that. But right now, while my husband's not home, I'm stealing his iPad again. And I'm going to watch me a little YouTube or something and hang out and cool off. I got me a really bad drink that I shouldn't be drinking, but I am. I poured me a big, huge cherry Coke. And I'm just having me something to drink while I cool down and relax. And I will be checking in a little later. Well, we just finished the broadcast up. And I wish I could get rid of this reflection on here, but there we go. I think that looks better. But we went live tonight, and it was a good watch. A lot of people tuned in.